Hi, in this video I will show you how to get the top comment on Instagram. So this is applicable and this is an updated method on 2025. So for example, right here I have in here several posts and you can head over to that post, and then for example if someone has actually commented on your post, the best way to actually do it or to get a top comment is if the creator or if the account or owner actually pinned your post to the top. So as you can see, you can long press on a particular comment and pin it, and once it's been pinned, it will be the top comment. Now, for example, we have in here several posts, like for example, onto this person, and onto the comment section, you can see that the top comment typically has the highest amount of likes. So you can have and make sure that you're an actually engaging content with engaging comment as well with a lot of replies if it's available. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.